In this video, we will see how to construct a binary tree from given tree traversals. So for constructing a binary tree from traversals, we need two of them. Inorder is must. Along with this, we can have either preorder or postorder. So mostly in your previous year's question papers, they have given preorder and inorder only. Giving postorder and inorder combinations are very rare. Okay, so this is a question that has been asked in December 2017. This question has repeated many times. It's for 10 marks and very easy. So understand how to write this. In order, traversal is where the parent position is in between left and right node. So left parent, right. So parent is in between left and right. In pre-order, pre means before. Parent comes before left and right. In post order, parent comes after left and right. Okay, so in pre-order and in order traversal, this is the parent position. So based on this, we are going to now construct the tree. So here first refer pre-order traversal for understanding what is a parent node. Whichever comes first, that is a parent node. And then in order traversal, you have to identify that node and see which all comes to see. Before this, whatever comes is the left node, and to the right of it, whatever comes is the right subtree, right? So identify the root node from pre-order traversal, and in order traversal, identify which all belongs to left subtree and which all belongs to right subtree. So same thing you proceed for each of the left and right subtrees also. So first we will identify pre-order traversal. We'll identify the root node. Root node is A. Here root node is A, right? So this is a root node. Whatever comes first, this is the root node. First in the pre-order. If it is post-order, what is in the last? That is going to be the root node. Now let us not discuss about post-order to avoid confusion. So we have in-order and pre-order. First check pre-order to check the parent node. So pre-order is used to identify parent node. Okay, parent node. So parent node in the sense root node, and then parent node of left subtree and right subtree. And in order is used to identify left and right subtrees. Left and right subtrees of each of the identified parent nodes. Okay, so first root node we have identified as A. So A is the root node, and in order I will mark this much. So all this belongs to the left subtree and all this belongs to the right subtree. Okay, so in the left subtree we have B, E and D. All this belongs to the left subtree, and G, F, H, C. All this belongs to the right subtree. This is our first diagram. Now from this we identify what is the root node in these three elements by looking at pre-order. So whatever we have done in the first step, same thing we have to keep repeating for each and every subtree. Now consider only this subtree BED, this part, and this second, this is your right subtree. Okay, this is left subtree, this is right subtree. In this C, which is first, B is first, so that becomes the parent node. So the next diagram is A remains as it is. In this BED, I am identifying what is a parent node. Parent node is the one that comes first in the pre-order. In pre-order, among this BED, the one that appears first is B. Therefore, B is a parent node for the left subtree. Now go to this in order and see where this E and D is present, whether to the left side or to the right side. See in order among this B, D, E and D both are present to the right of B, isn't it? So E and D are right children of B. So E and D both are right subtree of B. In this, which is parent, which is left or right, we will figure out in the next step. Now the same thing we will do for the right subtree. In the right subtree among this GFHC, identify the pre-order traversal to find out which is a parent node. Parent node is the first one in this group, which is C. C is a parent node, and here you mark C. C is here, and all the remaining elements are to the left of C, right? Therefore, they are all left subtree of C. So here parent node is C, and this GFH, all the three nodes comes in the left subtree of C. Now in this ED, which is parent node, and the other node, whether it is left or right subchild, will find out. And in this GFH, which is parent, which is left right, this we will find out in our next step. So right now I am erasing this marking. I am marking only this left and right part. So here ED is here and here ED is there, right? And this is GFH. GFH is here and here GFH is there. Now, for what you have to do is first take the pre-order, identify the parent node. Whatever comes first in this, that is a parent node. So in this subtree, parent node is D. In this subtree, the one that comes first is F. Therefore, parent node is F. Remember, to identify parent node, we have to refer pre-order only, not in order. In order is used to identify the left and right subtrees after identifying the parent node. Now in this D and E, D is a parent node. So let me write that. A, left child is B, right child is C. And here B doesn't have left child nodes. It is only right side, and right side parent is D. And for this D, now look at in order. D is here. E is a child node. If E comes to the left of D in order, it is a left child. If it comes to the right side, it is a right child. Now here E comes to the left, isn't it? Therefore, E is the left child of D. Done. So this left side is done. Right side, we have GFH. In this, we have identified the one that comes first in pre-order is F. So this is the parent node. And this is a left child of C. For C, F is a left child and that is a parent node. And in order, you identify F. F is in the middle. To the left, you have G. To the right, you have H. It means G is the left child of F. G is the left child of F. And H is the right child of F. Okay, this is your tree. So identification is very important here. Pre-order is used to identify parent node at each and every level. After identifying the parent node, you check in order to identify which all comes to the left side and which all comes to the right side to identify what are the left and right subtrees. And after you write the left and right subtrees like this, again you do the same procedure. Within this group, you have to do the same procedure. So this is how you construct a binary tree by using the given in order and pre-order traversal. Suppose post order is given. Anyways, I will post another video where in order and post order traversals are given. But suppose if post order is given, then instead of referring to the first element to identify parent node, you will check what is the last element. Last element will be the parent node. In that also, post order is used to find out the parent node, and then in order will be used to identify which is the left subtree and which elements belong to the right subtree. If pre-order is given, the element that occurs first is the parent node. If post-order is given, element that occurs last will be the parent node. In both the cases, you refer in order. For the marked node, whichever comes to the left, those are left elements. Whichever comes to the right, those are right subtree elements. Again, this is asked for 10 marks. Easy to score. Just write little bit of sentences here. The first element in pre-order is A, therefore that is the root node. And then in order, we check, we mark A and identify the left and right subtrees of A. So just write that one line sentences before each and every diagram as to how you identify the parent node in order to make sure that you get this complete 10 marks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.